Hey everybody, and welcome to another Jamovi tutorial. Jamovi is now in version 1.8. Look at that, 1.8. And I have version 1.8.2 here, and I sort of want to just go through and identify what has been added to this new version. Now, it's nothing crazy. There aren't any new analyses or anything like that, but there is one thing that I'm going to add to my previous video here up in the top right corner. We want to look at sort of like an additional thing. In linear regression, what you can now do, I don't have any data open, so nothing's going to show here, but what you can now do is you can save information in here. You can save it. It's pretty awesome, pretty epic here. You can save predicted values, Cook's distance, and residuals. And what does save do? Well, save puts it into your data as columns. It puts it into your spreadsheet as new columns. So that's what the save function would do here in Jamovi, right? Here's what it'd do. And so that is one of the new changes. You can now save in ANOVA and ANCOVA as well. You can save residuals if you want to have those as your in your data set. In principal components analysis, okay, if we go here to principal components, we can save component scores. In descriptives, you can now get confidence intervals for the various things that you are going. Confidence intervals for the mean. So before it was just standard error of the mean. Now it's confidence intervals for the interval for the mean. And we're back here to plots. I don't think anything was added. The scatter CATR module is now installed with Jamovi by default, so you don't need to get scatter from the modules button function here. They upgraded the R underneath and various other changes. In 1.8.1, they added the ability to transpose the descriptives table. So when you pop in this descriptives, instead of having n, missing, mean, median, all of your variable calculations down here as rows, you can now switch them to columns if you would like to do that. So you can have variables across columns or variables across rows. So you're not really changing where the descriptives are, but rather you're changing where your variables go. So that is a really interesting addition here. Depends on what you like, to be honest with you. But those are the changes in 1.8. We're in 1.8.2, which was released last week, fixing some issues that people have noted in 1.8. And so that is where Jamovi's at in the summer of 2021. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, consider leaving a like. If you like this content, consider subscribing for more of these kinds of tutorials. Thanks for watching.